Kule pi baroh timintang in the page pangka concept jong LCM but HCF but kumju rung in the page kamat ayu but ninya solve lu katu kani gijing kali ke bajungat barbual shaphang ke HCF but LCM po MPSC exam but katu kani ki tricks but shortcut method bapin solve ki khnang ba pinam like bam than kapola por exam ti manta ladang page. What do you understand by LCM? The LCM full form jong LCM kadai lowest common multiple. The shisien baong multiple. What do you understand by multiple? Ladangi I example way number. Let's see 3. What are the multiples of 3? Kamut usien jong 3 ma. The 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Nang ta 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 18, 21, nang ta 24. But kum ta tel hado. Let's see 3 and 2000 gan long 3000. Lay till infinity. The alarang bank example yo 4. What are the multiples of 4? Kalong 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20, 24, 28, but 32, and ta tel. The alarang 5, let's see, ang 6 ma. The 6, multiple of 6, like 6, 12, nang ta 18, 24, nang ta 30, 36, bakum ta tel. The multiple kamot kisian rung. Any number. The wanta ladang ipet ken. Next, what do you understand by common? Multiple langsung tu. What do you understand by common? Simong common kamot it should be common on both these. The multiple should be common haplen jung kini lightly. Dimenta for example ladang isim 3. 3 hani udan kadba hangi pom dan kamut kamdan jing common apa deng jung ki. 6 hangi udan hangi hapo klem dan kadba hangi hapo rupat udan. Kamut hangi altali la common tama sino LCM padeng ya bisim common jong baru lightly ki given number. Tie nang ta ladang ipet ken unu number bu common hangi. Tie 12 common hangi bro lightly baru pechuma. Tie hoi 24 hangi common, 24 hangi common, but 24 hangi common. Tie the common number had padeng jong kini kadai 12 but 24. The multiple pila asmo tu, common pila asmo tu mentang lowest. Fisien belong lowest kamut nite badai barit tam. The which is the lowest amongst these two? The barit tam na padeng jong ni 12. The LCM kandai 12 kamut LCM jong u 4 3 but u 6 kadai 12. That is the meaning of LCM. Ti barbual ladang ikan LCM ka jing hikai bang shi yo ha school mo do dang red kadai 3, let's say 4 but 6. Mut LCM ngan hap kan ngam 2 2 2 sa 4, 2 3 sa 6, 2 3 u hell back. Angka 2 2 2 1 sa 2, 3 but 3. Angka so 1 king 3 1 1 1. Mut 2 into 3. LCM yang ini kan day 12. This is what you have learned. Nani kai kabla hikai phi school kamu lowest common multiple kamut ba phi apsiam yang no number uba phila ban divide lani ubulong common ba phila ban multiply hapdeng jonki given number. Kumenta lai but sa one real lowest common multiple kamut ba la ban multiply ba phingyo ju number. Kamut kumhang ni udayu 12. Dia mentang ini pet pada ngatai pilas no tu kemudian LCM mentang ini pet pada HCF. Dia what do you understand by HCF pada? LCM the multiple hangi pada F udah factor. Dia sisin bang factor pada. Let's say for example ladang isimun number let's say 12 mo. Dia what are the factor of 12? Sin bang factor kemudian number you balaban divide your 12 completely divisible balaban completely divide your 12 lani number you lada pi multiply balaban ni 12 dimenta 3 mo 1 obviously 1 on day by 1 into 12 ni 12 nang ta u 2. 2 dapat divide kemut. Lani dapat multiply to 6 or 12. Nang ta pada la pi shim do 3. 3 4 so 12. 4 4 3 so 12. Nang ta 6 into 2 kada 12. Nang ta but 12 itself. These are the factors of 12. Mentala dengan shim pada 24. 1 ru undai mencung 24, 2 ru la, 3 ru la, 4 ru la, nta 6 ru 6, 4 6 are 24. Nta kan sawan beng 12 kan u 8 penum la 12 and then another number of the 24. Dia menta pada nempe faktor kamu plus untuk faktor de number ba laban multiply la ni ba completely divisible you 24. Dia faktor ni ada mentang jait common. Common kumba pilai yo i po LCM kamu which among these are common. Dia mentala dan ipek 1 ru common, 2 ru common, 3 4 6 ru common but 12 ru common. Di kini ki faktor sangi long common. Dia menta pada next term dari highest. Simong highest pada mentala da pishim number 1 2 3 4 but 6 but 12. Dia the factors hani ni number ang ni ba he tam ode 12. Mut mentah HCF jong 12 but 24 komut kandai 12. That is what HCF means. Mut HCF komut any number la tapi I given numbers kumni 12 but 24 we number ulaban divide your baroh ki number. Dia kani komut HCF. Dia menta ingin ya shim example pada kumnu bangin Kane ke LCM and HCF. Dia barabor ladang shim example number 1 mah. Dia ladang shim 4 8 but 16. Dia kai ka bang learn ha school an yemen chua kali bangin shim kum tu 4 8 but 16. Ang ta pada shim siam kum ni 2 ang ta hani 4 ang tu 8 long bing 2 ang tu 2 ang tu 4 ang ta 2 2 Dia 2 sa 4 LCM jong kan ni kan dai 16. Dia kan ni ada ba kai bangi jylliew barabor ha school. Dia menta nyepet pada kumnu mengin find LCM daka shortcut method. Dia menta la dengan shim yang number 4 menta 8 16 but 32. Dia kai hang ni kade bangin le la dengan ikuaban shim LCM ngi deban consider shwa ya u larger number. Ta larger number pada u 32. Dia habang ishim 32 ni la mentho 32 hat sign. Nang ta ngin ishim kan uni number. U 4 la ne ma divide ya 32. Dia 4 isa 32 kumut 4 la. U 8 la ne ma divide ya 32. Dia u 8 into 4 de 32. 16 ayu sa 32. 16 into 2 ru pila on 1 ni 32 nang ta 32 into 1 gade 32. Dia kumut LCM jong kini ki number kan dai 32. Dia shortcut pendam kamban tho namal da piken kumba hikai barabor man shwa kan sabampol. Dia mentang shim example biang. Dia ladang shim example biang sa way number 5 15 20 but let's see 30. Dia mentang number ba he du hang ni dai 30. Dia ladang 30 5 la na man divide 30 5 6 30 15 ru la man ya 30 15 to 2 kat ba 20 pada hang ni 20 into kan 30 nama 20 into 2 kalmi 40 which exceed the given number yani which exceeds ya u 30 ti habalong kum ta ngin le kum nu ya uni 30 bahe do ya number bahe do ngin multiply by 2 ti in case la da ummi by 2 kumut fila multiply by 3 by 4 by 5 tat hadu ba pin sala ban divide by all this number timta hang ni kan mi answer 60 13 into 2 kan 60 the 5 into kan no one me 60 5 into 12 sa 60 the 15 root pila nem divide 15 to 4 16 the 20 root 20 into 3 kami 60 but kum juru 30 into 2 kami 60 te kumut uni un number u satisfy lo di kini baro number kumut gila ban divide kini baro number gila ban divide yo 60 so the LCM jong kini kan divide 60 te nipul syang biang sa u we actually the 9 na shim 9 example 9 say 18 but 13 haba yo apa de kum kini ki jingkili kum kini ki number phiba ban pechwa phiba ban pe ikini u number ba compare nang ni te habangi pech uni number 13 13 is actually a prime number te shisin ba de prime number kamun pinamla ban divide kini you prime the prime number is only divisible by the number and 1 itself te kamun 13 into 1 by te LCM jong 13 kan dai 13 into 1 ni it's just 13 by te 13 ni la yo amantang in shim kin 9 but 18 te 9 but 18 la dang shim un number ba he the number 18 9 la ne man divide 18 9 into 2 sa 18 kamut 9 la man divide 18 kamut answer kan dai 18 jong kini alkaliki number temental LCM jong whole 3 but lightly ki number kan long 13 into 18 te la dang shim 13 into 18 kan long 3 3 are 24 2 1 3 are 3 8 1 are 8 kumut 10 13 1 1 1 are 1 2 kumut answer kan day 234 te answer jong kitu LCM jong kitu ka day 234 te ngin shim sa way example let's say ngin shim 6 nang ta Kane 12 nang ta 17 but 36 te dangi shim kini dangi pech beng kini ke number uni u 17 hang ni u day prime so on shim 17 day prime te u iba he do apa deng jong kini lightly but 6 12 but 36 u day 36 ni 36 ya side te u 6 la ne ban divide 36 6 6 are 36 mut 6 u la 12 la ne ya 36 the 12 ru 12 into 3 kami 36 as well as 36 into 1 36 kamut uni un number baro kini lightly ki number kila te unto baik kuntu LCM jong kini lightly number 36 LCM jong 17 is 17 itself te kamut LCM jong kini southly ki number pada day 17 into 36 te 36 into 17 7 kami 42 37 kami 21 16 kami 6 te kan long ken 6 10 but 6 10 mi 11 te mi 31 te 1 3 3 1s are 3 te 3 plus 3 kami 6 te LCM jong kini ka day 612 te try pila song tu kumno bangin shim shortcut aningin ken shortcut ya LCM te menta pada ngin ya page kumno ban ken pada ya HCF in shortcut method te shwa bang find HCF ngin ya shwa traditional way the traditional way let's say example 6 but 8 te kai ka bang la hikai man ne the concept ka long ba factor jong 6 the factor jong 6 ka long 1 nang ta 2 3 but 6 factor jong 8 ka long 1 2 4 but 8 itself te common factor padeng jong kini kan 1 but 2 te habang ong HCF mon highest the highest between 1 but 2 uday 2 so HCF jong kini kan jong 6 but 8 kan 2 lani pila ban shim daka shortcut method la daka LCM method The LCM method shim 6 but 8. The along 2 3 sa 6. But 2 4 sa 8 2 sa 4. The 6 along 2 into 3 but 8 kaday 2 into 2 into 2. The only common number here is 2. So HCF Jong 6 but 8 kan 2. Di kani di ka traditional method la ni ka bangi ju hikai wa jylliew. Di menta padeng in page kuno ban Kane HCF haka shortcut method. Di for example in shim number 4 but 8. Di in shortcut method what you'll do is shim difference yung kini altalikin number. Di ladang shim difference yung kini kan nong 4. Dengan toisha side. 4 la ne man divisible by 4. La the 4 la ne man divisible by 8. The la kamut HCF hang ni kan day 4. Di kan ni ada shortcut method. Di jingkili kalaban 1 ba. Lada don lai tali pada nombor kan le amno. Lani lada don pada nombor bom divisible yakini kan le amno. Di mentang yang shim example biang. Let's see example kalong 40 menshim shwa do number barit. Di for example ada shim 12 menta 15 mat 21. Di ingin find difference yung kini. 12 but 15 kan day 3 but 15 but 21 kan day 6. Di mentap shim yung number. Di shortcut method kadai ba always consider yung number uba red. Di mentap number uba red hang ni day 3. Di ingin hap shim hap consider yung 3. Di ingin throw 3 aside. Di 3 la ne man divide your 12. 3 4 sa 12. 3 la ne man divide 15. 3 5 sa 15. But 3 7 sa 21. Kumut hang ni ngila aban divide ikini baroh aso HCF jong 12 15 but 21 gandai 3. Di mentain shimbang next example. Di next example ada ni consider 40 70 but 85. Di kumanga ong ba pihak ban pe you difference ubarit. Di lada piken difference each and every number kumat kan sa slam kan sa bampuak. Di kumanta pin use not ken. Lada pipe tong number open sa sung tu kumhani 40 but 70 ka difference hang ni kan dai hadu 30. Di 30 kumut ka he di 70 but 85 pada ka difference ka dai tang 15. Dengan tho tang 15 kan nginam tho shu 30 nama 30 kan sa he te kumunta 15 pada la nangi tho sha side 15 la ne man divide your 40 nom la 15 your 70 ro nom la 15 your 85 ro nom la te komong ong khmat ba pite ban reduce your number te aba HCF ka de factor jong 15 te la dangi shim LCM pada your 15 komot ing ya do 3 te 5 sa 15 3 1 sa 3 or 5 1 sa 5 te factor jong 15 kan dai always remember pada HCM pikin factor hapo HCF pin consider shwa ya highest komot factor hang ni undai 5 into 3 into 1 la ni pia bu ikini factor in descending order timenta ngin check in your 5 la nem man cancel la ni man divide 40 la 5 8 sa 40 sim you 70 ro la 85 ro la na machine bakut on number 0 but 5 komot pila bet ban cancel di komot HCF jong kini ki number 40 70 but 85 kan no 5 di in case la da pim la ban divide ikini komot do 5 pia cho 3 in case la da pim la do 3 komot HCF jong kini baroh kan dai bitang 1 di menta ngin pek biang sakaway last example di let's see ngishim 15 23 27 but 29 di rang ngishim difference hang ni kal adai 5 8 hang ni pada kal adai 4 hang ni 2 dengan shto ma. Ti hang ni kan day 4, hang ni pada kan day 2. Ti smallest na pedeng jong kini day way 2. Ti ngin shim ken yo 2. Ti 2 la ne man divide 15 nom la even nom la man divide odd. Ti yo ni ro nom la kini ro nom la. Ti ngin le kam no ngin shim factor jong 2. Ti factor jong 2 obviously kan day bitang 2 but 1. So HCF jong kini u2 te nom la kini so HCF jong kini ki number HCF of 15, 23, 27, but 29. Answer kan day 1. So that is how you calculate HCF in shortcut method. Ti kani ka bahikai mga lada practice pen sakkan mau. Otherwise lada pim practice pim get use ki number kamut kan sa piban kan mau but pin hab ya bika long quat method. Ti minta pading ini pet kuno ban solve ye kini previous year question paper jongka MPSC kibangat ka topik jong LCM and HCF. Ti minta kani first question kong if P and Q are two prime number then the HCF of P and Q is. Ti minta shisim bang prime number arang shim example mo. Ti let's say prime number weighing shim 11 but weigh 13. Ti bang HCF kumangi ban fine kumangi la kai jrong ba kadika factor. The factor jong ki prime number kan debit tang it number in itself and 1. Ti 13 but 1 hi. Ti HCF jong kini pada 11 but 13. The only common here is 1. So HCF jong ki prime number of any two prime number, the answer will be 1. Ti nak try pilas mo tu. Ti next question. Ti next question pada kong the LCM of smallest two-digit number and the smallest composite number is. Ti minta ka bangi deban mo tu hang ni kadai what is a composite number. Ti khnang ba pintip ikini baroh ang try pihak ban puli number system. Shaphang composite number, prime number, natural number, rational number. Tinggal nombor tayi kita in detail. And cepat betang what is composite number. Ti what do you mean by composite number? Ti composite number kadai opposite jong prime number. The prime is a number that is divisible only by its odd number and 1. The prime day odd number and 1, whereas composite number part kadai balak ban divisible by any other number. The let's see one more example. The what are the factor of 1? 1 is divisible only by its own number 1 and 2. 2 is also divisible only by its own number 2 and 1 itself. The what about 3? 3 ro it will be only divisible by mulak ban divide tang ro 3 but 1. 4 pada 4 pada this is a composite number normal. Ya 4 pila ban divide do 2 into 2 ro kalaman long 4. They pila ban divide do 2 ro as well as 1 ro as well as 4 ro. So this is called composite number. So it is opposite jong prime number. They mentara ngaship 9 ro. 9 pila ban divide do 3 into 3 ro. They only ro day composite number. They hang ni pada question kong smallest. The smallest 1 ro day, 2 ro day, 3 ro day. Smallest composite to day 4. 4. The LCM of smallest two-digit number. One-digit number ukut hau 9. The smallest two-digit sedang 10. The ngin haban find kin LCM jong 4 but 10. The kumbang lai kai kuno menshim shortcut jong LCM shortcut method. The 10 ngin shim 10. Yu 10 la ne ma divide do 4. Nom la re. The shisian bom la kamut pi multiply into 2. The 10 into 2 kolong 20. The 20 divide the 4 pila na yam. Alright, pila 4 into 5 sa 20. Kamut LCM hang ni jong 4 but then number is 20. Take option C the correct answer. Okay, question number 3 kong. Two numbers are in the ratio of 4:5. The LCM is 240. Kani ka video nga shna po shorts ru. Te chisin ba ong ratio kamon ngim tip exactly un number ayu ni. Te sin ba ai ratio kamon ni hab consider but u. Let's say ngishim ru x 4x but 5x. Hani laong dia LCM is 240. Kamon ni 40 LCM kadai jong u exact number. Ndai jong ratio. Te kamon ladang ishim ratio uni LCM jong uni should also be equal to LCM jong exact number. Te ladang ishim LCM jong 4 but 5 4 into 5 20 namang ngim la man divide ki along 20x. LCM jong ni should be equal to LCM jong exact number or 240. Te ladang ishim x ang ni along 240 divided by 20 0 cancel 2 and 12. Te UX nila yo timatang find the sum of number. Sum of number kumot 4x plus 5x. The 4x plus 5x yan bang sum ide plus 4 plus 5 kulong 9x. They replace the value of x hang ni 9 into 12. The 9 12 kulong 9 2 sa 18 9 1 sa 9 but 10 long 108. So the answer hang ni kaday option A 108. Question number 4 kung LCM of two number is 48. The number are in the ratio of 2:3. Find the sum of number. This one is similar to the previous question. Te kumbang nila yo E, sin bang ratio kumot 2x is to 3x. The LCM jong 2x with 3x kalong 6x, which is equal to the LCM of two numbers, which is 48. X kalong 8. The x is equal to 8. 6 8 sa 48. The sum jong kini pade kalong 2x plus 3x, 5x, is equal to 5 into 8, equal to 40. It hardly takes, she liposecond but pendap ko equation na dapilanang. So answer kan day 40. Mentang niya next question. Question number 5 kong, the HCF and LCM of two number are 15 and 1560. Swabang sedang kani if one of the number. Question number 15 kong ba, the HCF and LCM of two number are 15 and 1560. One of the number is 120, find the other. The Schwabang install the kaning devan kamakuika formula. Very easy LCM and HCF formula. The LCM nani into HCF kachuhi HCF into LCM is equal to product of two number. Ani LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Ladang you consider A and B as two number. Okay, this is a very important formula. And kasuk ruban kin mau. Timenta ladang you solve your question kaong ba. The HCF and LCM of two number. Te ladang you replace value jong ni LCM kalong 1560 into HCF kaday 15 is equal to A ngim tip. Lani A ngin consider as 120 and find your B. To B ngim tip T 1560 into 15. Ada 120 urasan ni multiplication kala division, so it will be 120 B. T cancel lang ni 0 but 0. T ngin ya chua do u 3. 3 4 sa 12, 3 5 sa 15. T 4 4 3 sa 12. Nang taken 3 12 tam 3 long 36 4 9 sa 36. The answer kan day 39 into 5. The 5 9 sa 45. 5 3 sa 15 long 19. The answer hang ni kan day option A 195. question kong the HCF and LCM of two number are 33 and 4719 respectively. When the first number is divided by 3, the question is 121. The question kade similar but took away previous one. The only difference hangni kade ba kila I. The first number is divided by 3 and the question is 121. Ting and have find other number. The first number hangni kila I kulu ba divided by 3 and question is 121. Ting a try barabor pila yo sungohi kanika formula kawe ba dividen is equal to it was divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here, for example, the uwe number. This is 5. The only 5 they dividend. The divisor as 2. The divisor the 2. The quotient la can divide 2. 2 are 4. The what 1. Kamut ka remainder ni kan mi 1. The la replace value dividend by 5. Divisor uday 2 into quotient uday 2 plus 1 remainder. The 5 is equal to 5. The kani ada formula. The and drop no ikini ya. The kumno ban kan mau kani ka formula. The capital D kani ka formula ngasale kumni D by small d into Q plus R. Ini pila man sana kanu formula kaba. Besok kumenta lada pikwa man sana full form. Deng la quit ban riam style. R is for riam style. Ini pila man sana kanu formula ti. Mentala dangi find ni number. Let's see yung number in shimdo E is equal to divided kumut 3 into quotient 121. The remainder hang ni pade kam don remainder to it's 0. In case that the don remainder hang ni kumut pilaban replace any value ko ba ay question. Di mentala dang kenyo new E kan long 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. The E is 363. Kumbali akman LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. The E mentangin ayo LCM kade 4719 into HCF kade 33 is equal to 363 into B. There 4719 into 33 divided by 363 is equal to B. Timentala dangi cancel. In shimdu 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Mentangi tip 11 square kadai 121. So 11 into 11 can be 121. T 11 into 4 can be 44. The 44 me 31. The 31 do 3 namla. Tingin ya do 222. Remainder day 9, 99 day. 11 into 9 give me 99. So the answer is 429. Option number D. The pilaman can direct shaway route. Let's see manta 4719 divided by 11. 11 into 4, 44. Remainder 3, 31. The 3 or do 3 and namla tingin ya 2, 22, 9, 9, 11 into 9 sa 99. The answer kadai D. Next question kong given that HCF is equal to katni 40, LCM jong kini alternate number kadai 2, then find the value of K. Mentangin hap consider uni uday u E but ni uday u B. Mangka cu E but B. Ta HCF jong E but B kadai 40. The HCF into LCM is equal to product of two number lana A into B. Tim ta HCF hang ni kaong 40 into LCM hang ni gaday 252 K lana into K. Equal to E hang ni gaday 2520 into B gaday 6600. Te okay ladang ira ni completely support kanong divisible to 520 into 6600 divided by 40 into 252. Di cancel 0 what way 0? Oh yeah. Nin cancel yung ni bantu khamat khamsong. Di 0 po pada kande 40 into 252. The 0 but 0 cancel 252 cancel. Kita ken do 4 1 sa 4 kita 1 sa 4 tam 2 me 26 4 6 sa 24 tam 2 for 5 sa 20 0. So cancel today 1650 lane option number A. T 1650. T tangani ki question. I hope ba pilaya semua tu. But pilaya your idea kuno one solve kini question kam tam ki MPSC question bona kini question ki de repeated question ki bangat. T la da pikwa. Kanu no topic pikwa man explain concept. Ni pikwa man yo tricks som pangan lai but ban comment ni kini ka video. Bless you bon.